welcome back to my channel. This is Chandni. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is actually the most requested video on this channel, which is a room tour, and I'm pretty excited to show it to you all. And before getting into this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. My @ is Chandni Sharma with a double A. And now let's get into the video. The first thing that you'll notice when you'll enter my room is that my room has only white walls, and it's because there was already too much going on in my room, as you can see. So I went with only white walls except this one. This one has a wallpaper, and I went with white walls because white gives a very clean and a very airy look. So that's the kind of aesthetic that I went with. White room with pops of pink and pops of golden. And because there's too much pink in my room, I wanted my room to look like a room of a 20-year-old and not of a 7-year-old. I wanted to give it a very mature look. And all the furniture that you see in my room is actually custom made. Everything in my room is actually made according to me, how I wanted things to be, according to the size of the room. So everything that you see is custom made except the bed. I got the bed from somewhere else, and even the side table that came along. So yeah. Of my room, and I'm going to show you this part of the room first, then that one, and then this one. Let's start. My study is actually customized. I always wanted my study to look like this. I really like how it turned out, and very pretty, very clean, just my type. So before creating my room, I actually saved so many boards on Pinterest, so many pictures on Pinterest, and then I designed my room on my own, and I concluded this one. So that's how my study is looking. Over here there are really pretty flowers. Then there's this photo frame. This really cute owl. This is a golden color. I really liked how cute it was looking. Then over here I have my favorite candle, which is strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works. And then I have the stand as well for the candle. Then I have a cute little mug that says my daughter, and my mom got this for me when it was Daughter's Day, and I was, I think, 10 or something. So I still have it. Then I have this cute little sipper. I also have this coaster, and it's really cute. I really like how it looks, the golden detailing especially. Then I have these 3 frames over here. So this one says enjoy the journey, good vibes, live more, very less. Then this one has my favorite perfume, Mr. Then this one has my favorite brand, Juicy. So I have these boards over here, and then I got them framed. So that's how they look. Firstly, I have this pink leather mat to do all the craft things that I do, so that the table doesn't get dirty. And then I have this golden tray. It's so pretty, it looks so chic, and I'm using it as a tray to keep my pens and pencil stands. So I have these 2 pen stands, and I actually DIY'd this on my own. It looks really pretty, and there's also a mini bow, if you can see. And then I have these really cute pens. I'm really fond of collecting cute stationery, and I've been collecting stationery since years now. So I have really cute stationery. This one. So I have my pen collection over here. I have my AirPods over here. I really like my case. It looks so cute. Love it. Then I have my laptop. My laptop looks gorgeous, you guys. Then I have this bin that I got from Amazon. I think it's so convenient because I can just throw all the trash. So yeah. And then I have these cute little notebooks. This one's so cute. It has this pattern. You must have seen this in What's in My Bag video. And then I have this one. This is completely gorgeous, you guys. This says all the places you will go. It's from Pop X, so I really like this one. Looks really pretty. I have this cute little journal. It's holographic. And then this cute little notepad. I wanted a very cute sitting area. I didn't want an ordinary one. I wanted to be very extra with the sitting area that I was creating in my room. So I added this beautiful canopy, and it's from Mango People. Then I added this cute little bow. Then I added these beautiful chairs, and I got them painted in golden color. And I added these blush pink cushions. These are really very pretty, as you can see. I really like the print. I really like how cute they look. And I got 2 of these for my chairs. And that's how my sitting area looks. It looks very cozy. It's really fun to hang out here with my friends and just sit, just have snacks, something like that. Moving on to this part of the room. So I have this wallpaper from my old room. I was about to get it removed. I just didn't feel like removing it. It was too pretty, too gorgeous, and it was actually completely matching with the aesthetic that I was going with for my room. But the only problem was that it was in lilac color and my room was in pink and golden and white. So it wasn't matching, but then I thought I should do something, that I should get a white bed so that it also matches with my room. So that's how I created the room. So moving on to my nightstand, I have this cute little lampshade. Because there was already too much going on in my room, I went with a very basic and simple one. Then I have this bottle that a very dear friend of mine got for me from Miniso, and it has this heart shape over here. Then I have this sleeping mask, eye mask. Then I have this pink coaster as well, the same one that you saw over here. I got two of these. My bed cover has been inspired by Blair Waldorf's bed cover. If you've seen Gossip Girl, you'll know which one I'm talking about, the royal blue one. My favorite part about this bed cover is the skirt. I think the skirt gives a very royal look, and I love how it just turned out. Then I have this beautiful bed over here. I just love how it looks. The swans over there, it looks completely stunning. So I just showed you my bed, and now I'm going to show you my vanity table. So I usually spend most of my hours over here in this corner of the room, and I just love how this vanity table turned out. It just looks completely gorgeous, and it's just my type. And I'm really fond of collecting Victoria's Secret, not because of the product but because of the packaging. It's way too pretty. So I have a lot of Victoria's Secret products over here. Victoria's Secret, Miss Dior, Versace, Roberto Cavalli, Juicy Couture, Victoria's Secret, lots of Victoria's Secret. I think these mini ones are perfect for traveling. And I have so many mists, lotions. I just completely love the whole look of this vanity. It's just so gorgeous, very princessy, my type, a very mature princessy look. Now I'm going to show you what's inside this drawer. So the first one has just my face makeup. So I dedicated one full drawer to my face makeup. So my foundations, primers, highlighters, contour palettes, brushes, everything's over here. So this drawer is just full of my face makeup, as you can see. Then this drawer has only my eye makeup, all my shadow palettes, my lashes, glue, my mascaras, concealers, eyeliners, everything's over here. Then this one has all my lip products, my lipstick collection. I dedicated one full drawer to my face, one to my eyes, and this one is especially just for my lips. So all my lip glosses, my lipsticks are over here. Then I have this drawer for my earrings. So all my earrings are over here. I have more earrings in these boxes. This one, and I have some tops in these. And then in this packet, there was a time when I just got obsessed with oxidized earrings. So I have a full packet of oxidized earrings. So that's what's over here. And I'm saving these two drawers for a detailed vanity tour. I just want to dedicate one full video to my vanity, so that's what I'm saving all of this for. So I just showed you this part of the room, and now I'm going to show you this part of the room. There's nothing much over here, honestly. I just have my wardrobe over here, and I have this one for my summer clothes, this one for my winter clothes, and over there I've actually kept all my extra stuff that I really don't use. So that's what's over there. And over here in these ones, I actually have my massive heel collection that I'm saving for my another video. So stay tuned. And over here are these beautiful curtains. As I said, I was not really going with pink directly. I was going with everything with pops of pink. So these beautiful curtains also are not pink, but they have pops of pink. I love the detailing over there. It looks really pretty. Behind these curtains are my balcony, a window, and my AC. But I think it actually covers everything. That's what's over here. So over here I have this full length mirror, and I wanted this mirror to click mirror selfies, OOTD, OOTN, everything like that, so that I can just check out my outfit before leaving the house. So that's what's here. And I added these beautiful fairy lights, even though I've done a horrible job with the tape. It's looking very ugly, but the whole mirror just turned out to be very pretty. I added these beautiful bows as well, and I think this whole mirror is a vibe, and I just love how cute it looks. So I just showed you my mirror, and there's my washroom over here, and I'm not gonna show on YouTube, but I'm gonna show you my TV area now. So I have this cute little luggage from DKNY, and it's because I've been traveling way too much and I've been doing too many sleepovers with my best friends or with my family. So I thought that it would be more convenient for me to keep the luggage in my room only. So first of all, you notice these beautiful paintings that I asked my mom to make for me. I told her what I wanted and she made exactly what I asked her to. So I wanted something with pink and pops of golden. So this one's a bit brighter and this one's a bit lighter. But I think they look absolutely stunning and very pretty, just what I wanted for my room. I have this for my bracelets. So this one has mostly all of my bracelets. Not all, but some of my bracelets are over here. And this one's a new addition. My mom got this one for me today only. Then I have this candle stand. Oh, this one's from Pure. I have a very random knick-knack. It looks very cute. I added this bow as well. Then I have this tray from Decor card. It has lashes on it. Whenever I'm coming home from outside, I can just take out my earrings and keep it over here, and I can organize it the other day. It comes very handy for me. Then I have these very random photo frames of me. This one's from London. This one's from my 20th birthday. Then there's another one from a lunch date with a friend. Then I have this box from Victoria's Secret. So basically I got a set of perfumes, lotions and something with this one. But I kept my sanitizers in this one from Bath & Body Works. And I've also added these roses to make it a bit more fancier. I have my sanitizer collection now because after the pandemic I think this is the most important thing. So that's what's over here. Then I have this beautiful doll. So I think my mom got this for me when I was 2. She got this from Scotland and it was looking beautiful. And then I have this Polaroid camera. So my best friends and I got Polaroid cameras in 3 different colors, pink, light pink and blue. Then I have this packet from Victoria's Secret. I just wanted to decorate this as a knick-knack in my room. Even though it's a bit dirty now, I just can't get rid of it. It's way too pretty. Then I have this gift from a dear friend and it's actually from a small business, but it smells so good. Literally so good. Then I have this another candle stand and this one's from Pure, and I'm really fond of candles. I have a huge collection of candles from Bath & Body Works, so I thought of having a candle stand for them. So that's what's over here. So my TV table actually had this space in which I kept all my stuffed toys, and it's because when I was a kid and my dad used to go out for a business meeting or a business trip, he always used to get a stuffed toy for me, and because I have an emotional connect with them, I just couldn't get rid of them, so I kept them over here. But now I'm thinking of clearing the space and displaying my heels and my bags. I'm not sure, I'm just thinking about it, but now I just feel that this is not my vibe anymore, and it's high time that I display my bags and my heels over here, or something pink, something prettier, not sure, just thinking about it. So yeah, and over here in these two drawers, so basically I have a lot of storage in these two drawers, so I've kept all my bags in these two drawers. Now I'll show you what's inside these drawers. So in the first one, I actually have my sunglasses collection. I actually use my mom's more than I use mine, but still I have my collection over here. Then in this one, I have this cute keychain, and over here I have very random stuff, just my belts, just some keychains, my mask, and some other belts. More belts are over here, so just a lot of random stuff is over here. And in the last one, I actually have my boots. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the video. I personally feel your bedroom is one place where you spend most of the time, and it should be one place that should be soothing, calming, should make you happy, and I love my room for that. My room is completely of my choice. I designed my own room. It's completely my aesthetic. And yeah, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Lots of love to you all. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.